In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Grammarly from Chrome. Whether you want to completely uninstall it or just temporarily disable it, we're diving deep into every method that suits your preference. Grammarly can be a fantastic tool for improving your writing, but there might come a time when you need to part ways with it, even if just for a little while. First, let's start with the most straightforward method: removing Grammarly via the toolbar icon. Open Chrome and head over to the top right corner of your window. Here, you'll find the Extensions area, which is where all your installed extension icons proudly reside. Keep an eye out for Grammarly's distinct G icon. Once you spot it, give it a right-click. A drop-down menu will appear. Simply choose the option that says Remove from Chrome. After you select this, a prompt will pop up asking you to confirm your decision to remove the extension. Go ahead and confirm, and just like that, Grammarly will be removed from your Chrome browser. Now, let's say you couldn't find the Grammarly icon in the toolbar. Don't worry, there's an alternative way through Chrome's extensions page. Open Chrome and look for the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of your browser window. Click these dots to open a menu. From here, hover over More Tools and then select Extensions. Alternatively, if you're a fan of shortcuts, simply type Chrome/extensions into your address bar and press Enter. This will take you straight to the extensions page where you'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Scan through this list until you find Grammarly. Right next to it, you should see the Remove button. Click on it, and once again, you'll be prompted to confirm the removal. Approve the prompt, and Grammarly will be successfully uninstalled. Now, if uninstalling feels a bit too permanent, but you still want Grammarly out of sight for a while, disabling is your best bet. On the same extensions page where you found the Remove button, there is a little blue switch next to Grammarly's name. This toggle switch is your friend when it comes to disabling. Just click to turn it off, and Grammarly will be disabled without being completely uninstalled, allowing you to easily re-enable it when needed. If you follow these steps and you still find that Grammarly is mysteriously reappearing in your browser, it might be due to Chrome Sync bringing it back from another device. Additionally, some leftover files might be the culprits. To tackle this, start by completely closing Chrome. Then, navigate to the folder path %local app data %/ Google/Chrome, user data/default, extensions. Look for any Grammarly extension folders within this directory and delete them. And there you have it. Whether you're uninstalling it, disabling it temporarily, or doing a thorough cleanup, you now have the tools you need to manage Grammarly's presence in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.